3.
I'm Gwilym Bowen Rhys. I come from the northwest of Wales, in Eraill, and I sing folk songs and some of my own songs as well. So yeah, I could singer-songwriter, I guess. Nes I ddechrau canu, wel, oeddwn ni'n canu yn yr ysgol, wrth gwrs, ond nes I ddechrau gigio efo mewn band o'r nhw, y bandana, pan o'n i'n 14. Ond wedyn, pan o'n i'n 17-18, nes I ddechrau hoffi music mwy acoustic a felly, a dechrau canu adeg hynny. A wedyn nes I ddechrau efo prosiect o'r nhw 10 Mewn Bws, efo oedd trac yn rhedeg hwnna, a oedd hwnna jyst wedi agor drysau i'r byd cerddoriaeth werin I fi, a dwi heb edrych yn ôl. So it was in 2013, I think, I applied to be a part of 10 Mewn Bws, which was like a crash course of Welsh traditional music for musicians, and then for us all to come together and create an album sort of, you know, inspired by all these experiences. And that was really my first real contact with sort of Welsh traditional music and what it could be and what I could contribute to it. And since then, yeah, I haven't really looked back. So that was definitely the big start for me. Trac Cymru has been very supportive from the off, from when I started in the world of folk music. They've been very supportive with projects and like suggesting things that I should take part in, you know, and like in the things like the Eisteddfod, they're always there with our CDs and stuff. So I would say definitely Trac has been very supportive through my career, definitely. Dwi'n meddwl mae'n bwysig I ni werthfawrogi neu darganfod ein gerddoriaeth brodorol ni, achos ti'n mynd I unrhyw wlad fel ti'n dod I yma I lorion a ti'n gweld be sy'n wahanol am bob wlad, a wedyn ti'n mynd adra so, be sy'n wahanol amdano ni, be sgenna ni I gynnig. Felly mae darganfod ac werthfawrogi a dysgu am ein cerddoriaeth brodorol ni, ac ie, a rhyw ail ddarganfod pwy ydyn ni fel cenedl hefyd, yn hynod bwysig, a wedyn dyna mae Trac yn cynnig y gerddoriaeth yma, neu'r drysau agored yma I bobl ddarganfod cerddoriaeth werin o Gymru. Os bysa Trac ddim yn bodoli, bysa wagle mawr yn gallu bobl darganfod cerddoriaeth werin o Gymru. Felly dwi'n meddwl mae'n hynod bwysig bod Trac yn cario ymlaen wneud y gwaith hynod maen nhw yn wneud. Ond wrth gwrs, maen nhw angen cefnogaeth. Felly fyswn ni'n bendant yn annog unrhyw un sydd yn gwerthfawrogi cerddoriaeth traddodiadol Cymreig, neu jyst cerddoriaeth brodorol yn gyffredinol dros y byd I gefnogi Trac ag y math yno o sefydliadau bendant.